Maha Cartoon TV. The murderer.
Simi is not well. She is not able to breathe. I don't know what to do.
Let's do one thing. Take her to the hospital.
Which hospital do you think would be open at this time?
You have got a valid point. Let's take her to a local doctor.
No, wait. I just checked. She isn't breathing. Just bury her, and that way, we won't be burdened with the expense of her last rites.
I agree. She anyway doesn't have any other relative. Let's get done with this.
Yes, don't waste the time.
Friends, quickly take her and bury her somewhere.
Brothers, how far do you wanna go? It's getting dark and I feel scared in this forest. Don't know if it is wild animal or a ghost.
But we won't bury her near our homes. So what if it is dark?
I won't go near the graveyard. I am scared. Let's bury her here only. And anyway, it's dark. Who's gonna see us? Oh God, look at this. She is moving.
You are superstitious. That's why you are seeing the movements.
Believe me. Look at her.
Oh God, we are all gone. I don't know about you guys, but I love my life. I'm running away from here.
No. Wait. If we leave her here, she will come after us. Let's bury her in whatever pit we have dug.
Okay, done.
Oh God, thank you. You have saved me today.
Run, run, run!
Harya's cow ran towards the jungle, where villagers had buried Simi.
I wonder whose hand is this? Oh God. I hope it's not the witch. The mud looks fresh. I guess someone has buried a girl alive. I need to save her. Her hand is warm. Let me also check her nerves. Oh God. Whoever this girl is, she is still alive. Who are you?
I do live in the same village.
But what were you doing in this grave?
I don't know. I don't know how did I get in this grave.
All right.
Thanks a lot. You saved my life.
You don't have to thank me. Nevertheless, you can go back to your house.
No, please don't send me home. My uncle auntie troubles me a lot.
All right. You can stay with me tonight and can leave in the morning. Oh, look. My cow is back. I was just worried for her.
Which cow?
The same cow that is right in front of us. I went to find her, but found you instead.
You were no less than a god to me. Had you not saved my life, I would have died because of suffocation. And even if I managed to escape from the grave, I'm sure wild animals would have eaten me.
That would have been a possibility. Your clothes are badly torn and wet. You might even catch a cold. You should quickly change your clothes.
But I don't have any clothes.
For now, you can take my clothes. They are in the Almirah. Take them.
Okay. Your clothes are so huge for me.
No, it's fine. Don't think too much.
Okay.
You can sleep here.
Okay, but where will you sleep?
I'll go and sleep outside.
Oh no, it's heavily raining outside. You will catch a cold. Do one thing, sleep here only.
But
Oh please, you don't have to think so much. You have saved my life. I trust you, really.
thank you for trusting me. But I'll sleep on the floor.
I think you should head back home. I've understood the routes. I can manage alone. Thank you.
All right.
Listen up! Help me! Help me! How has she come back?
What's wrong?
Simi! Simi!
Where is Simi?
In her room.
You go from here. I request you. I will call a priest and will get all your last rites done.
Uncle, what's wrong with you? Tell me. And what last rites are you talking about? What? Am I dead?
Yes, you are dead.
What are you saying? I am still alive. What do you think I am? A witch? Why are you treating me this way? I admire you a lot. I hope you don't have any doubts for me. I'll do one thing. I'll cook really delicious food for you guys today. I feel like eating something sweet today, and hunger is killing me. Let's start with sweets.
Listen, do not talk to Simi. Let her do what she wants to. I am telling you.
Okay.
It's so delicious. I'm sure Uncle Auntie loved it too. But there's so much work today. I'm sure it's gonna take an entire day and I'll be so tired. Ugh, the clothes are so dirty. Hence they're not getting cleaned. Ugh, I work so much and yet I don't know what Uncle and Auntie think about me. I'm so tired. I'll just sleep.
Oh God, what has happened here? Mohan has been my friend since our childhood. I can't see this. I wonder who killed them.
This must be Simi. And who else was in the house?
Sir, nobody except Simi.
Bring her to the station.
But I haven't done anything. Please leave me.
All the culprits say the same, that they haven't done anything. Why did you kill your uncle auntie?
I haven't killed them. I truly love them. How can I kill them?
Who killed them then?
I don't know. But yesterday night, the last person I saw with Uncle and Auntie was Mansukh.
You mean Mansukh killed them?
I am not saying he's the culprit. But yes, they repeatedly were talking about some secret.
Secret?
Yes, secret. Auntie was talking to him about some secret.
What secret?
I don't know. That they can only tell.
Get Mansukh here. We were coming to get you. Glad you have come on your own.
But why were you coming to get me?
To catch you. And whose shirt is this? Covered in blood.
Sir, this is why I am here. Look, someone threw this shirt in front of my house.
But who does it belong to?
Sir, the shirt is mine. But trust me, someone's trying to frame me.
That means Simi is telling the truth. Now tell us, what secret were you discussing?
Sir, I don't know what you are talking about.
Simi has already told me everything about it. Now I would like to hear it from you.
Alright, I will tell you everything. A couple of days back, Simi was unwell. She couldn't breathe properly. We were planning to take her to a local doctor. But before we could, she died. And Mohan asked us to bury her, so we did the same.
What kind of joke is this? So you mean Simi is a witch?
Sir, I swear, I am telling you the truth.
Put him behind the bars and release Simi.
Thank God.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.